Hello, social media. Got a little project here my investor's working on. Almost didn't even recognize it coming up. It looks so different. So different. Let's see what kind of progress. It's quite a bit of work outside. Let's see where we are. Still waiting on the floors to be refinished. Oh, I love the little light there. Look at that. Nice, huge dining room. This is going to be a nice size room. I love the opening they did there. Look at this kitchen. Ceramic tile floor, people. Ceramic tile floor. Look at that. Soft closed drawers. And look, even did a built-in spot for the refrigerator with ice maker. Got it going on, got it going on. Got a little laundry room over here with your full bath. Laundry room, you hear me say, not laundry closet. Third bedroom. Need to get this floor done. That looks so, oh, we're moving right along in here. Look at this hall bath. That tile work is absolutely beautiful. Trying to tilt the light. Got a light, left it in my car. Shucks. Anyhow. Great ceramic tile in there. And the bedrooms are all a good size. Look at the size of this room. Got brand new windows for you. Coming your way soon. You know it. You know it. You know it. Veronica Sells Richmond. Holla. Check out this kitchen one more time. Look at that kitchen. Can't you see yourself in that kitchen? Did we do the microwave over the stove? Let me check that. Check out this kitchen. I really love this kitchen. Veronica Sells Richmond. Holla.